301 Brookshire. This could use some touch up. No rock here. The cabinets are dirty, but they look fine. You know, you can see that they've been used, but they look fine. That's the master bedroom right there. Carpet looks good. So as you can see, there's a lot of flat things. The door is flat. The closet panel isn't the prettiest. So it looks a little bit dated. The paint, probably repaint, make it look fresher and newer. There's no light in here, by the way, so let's see. And there's no light in here either. The carpet looks good. The blinds look good. The walls, yeah, I think a repaint. And then you have a little bit of tile here. This is the sliding door to the back. The counter itself looks in fine condition. It's just a dated style. Oh, sorry. The cabinets, a little bit of wear and tear, but nothing unusual. Okay, these blinds look fine as well. Carpet looks a tiny bit more worn in here. This is definitely a Jenny call. So that's the house. And of course you have this other closet here.